your mouth open. Feel better?
No.
They're not as loud now, right?
Yes, they are.
Oh yeah. Crowns.
I feel like my head's going on.
Ooh, rings. Aw, flares. They just go up and split.
Are they supposed to do it that way?
Yes.
You should have had to give you more.
Huh? Right? I don't need it anymore. I'm fine.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's
Red, white, and blue, right?
Independence Day.
Yeah.
I'm gonna watch it on your phone. I can't deal with the little.
Oh, shoot all the cakes. Those are all cakes there.
How long is this gonna
Huh?
be? How long is this show's gonna be?
10, 12, 15 minutes. Huh? Yeah, yeah. Those are all mine, by the way, coming up. Oh, they finally turned all the lights off. Nice.
Oh, I was only seeing half of the show.
The shells that go high are 3 inches.
Yeah,
These,
but I'm only seeing
I know, but those are 1s right there. Those are 3s up in the air. Look at the green one. Oh yeah, those are fans. Beautiful. These are the big 3s right here. No, that's a 4. Oh, there comes some more 4s. Oh yeah. That's a 3-inch salute. Nice palm tree, right?
Ooh, I like that one instead. I wonder how they
I can't hear you. Give me a second. It looks like you're getting ready to start a finale. I'm not sure yet. No, we're only 6 minutes in. These are nice fan cakes, aren't they? Okay, what were you saying?
So, you know how it originally branches like one stream?
Yeah.
And then it goes like this?
Yeah.
How do they do it to branch out to two?
Oh no, what they're doing is they're shooting 2 different shells. That's the mine tail.
To initial strand.
Yes.
They're making it look like it's one strand, but it's
So really what they're doing is they have something on the shell itself that creates the tail as it goes up.
So it's not just one shell, it's two.
No, it's a shell. Well, what happens is they have a...
Like a splitter?
Yeah. Woo!
Oh shit, I like this. It looks fun.
So what it is, that's called a comet. That's called a comet that goes up with it and it's sitting on the shell. So it burns the whole way up.
So it goes like this, and then it goes, and then it goes, and then it.
Oh, you mean those? No, that's
The
inside
double
the...
shelled ones, because it looks like it
Like
shoots
that?
up and it looks like a single one, like that, and then look, it branches and then it
Well,
hits
because
again, and then
did
it
you
hits again.
watch? There's one there, and then there will be one above it,
Yeah.
which didn't have a comet on it.
Oh, so it.
They can fire. Whoa, that's nice. They can fire a shell without a comet.
Oh,
So
okay.
those are comets.
It makes me seem okay. So it's two different shells. One's
Yeah.
not a comet.
One doesn't have a
And
comet.
it
One
looks like they're branching together, but they aren't.
correct.
Okay. Ooh, I like that one. Colors.
It's a Z fan cake. Those are awesome.
But we can't really see them. Oh, I can see over here.
Yeah, it's the same. It's the same difference.
That's what that lady was saying. They could have put them over there and they could have sold everything.
I know. Those are their flights of threes. The shells that come up real quick, they're also called mine shells.
Looks like confetti in the sky.
Yep.
Is it a lot louder than what I'm hearing?
No.
Is that a lot?
Close by, yeah.
So your ears are going to be ringing.
My ears are fine. I'm not close
It's
enough.
bothering.
I know. Those are awesome.
What is that noise?
People yelling. Because they're happy about it. That's a 4 right there.
What's this?
These are 2 4s. What? Oh, that's a drone or something else up
Oh,
there.
it's not an airplane.
No, it's somebody's drone or something along those
They
lines.
shouldn't have that up there. Should they?
I'm aware. It could get knocked out and that would be it.
Oh, it's close.
Oh, I know.
That's very. So that's a drone, not a airplane.
Potentially. Those are supposed to be circles that you can't... That's a circle one right there. Yeah, see, there's another circle. So they
Like a
spread it.
circle, not like a fan.
No, you'll see that when the circle comes out, it should come out flat, but it doesn't. So
Oh, it is a drone because look. Okay.
yeah,
Because it's going one way.
Oh, there's a nice, beautiful one. No, that's called a brocade crown.
No,
Those
I
are the
like this one.
no, they're up too high, so you don't have to worry about them.
Well, I'm not worried about it. I'm just saying.
They're 4-inch shells. They go high enough.
So
There goes a big one.
They don't have to worry.
Yeah, that's another brocade. That's a brocade.
There's too many places to look. Ooh, what's that called?
Palm tree. There's another brocade right
What
there.
was the other ones that showed up?
Oh, those are palms. There's another crown right there. Those are crowns, they call them.
That?
Those are palm trees.
I like that.
There's another big crown.
I have a question.
I'm sure you haven't seen it.
Is there any way of like spelling words out in fireworks?
Not really.
There's not a science.
No, you'd have to have a lancer to do it. A lancer is something that burns for a long period of time.
Then people doing it in movies is not an actual thing.
Digital, probably.
People say that you can do it, and I'm like, I mean, you could probably do it with like a banner, but not like. Oh,
Nice. Yes.
this is a perfect.
We're not getting pelted by shells. If we were over there, we'd be getting hit with shells right now.
I'm saying this is a perfect date for you to use fireworks.
Oh yeah.
Because you like fireworks.
I don't get to watch them that often.
Well, I said this is the perfect date for you. Am I right?
Yes.
And you don't usually get to watch them with me. No.
Big old salutes.
So is this the finale?
No. It's probably 15 to 20 minutes before the show. 20 to 15 minutes.
I like those. The little swirls.
Yeah, I know.
What's that? The one that did like.
Those are I'm trying to remember what they are. I'm trying to remember.
Don't worry about it. I can't really hear you anyway. All I hear is you screaming. Okay. That's cool. I like
Oh, little Jack. They're called whistle jacks. They're called whistle jacks because of the way they're set up.
Oh, so the little things that look like sperm
So the whistle jacks have a fuse in the middle of them, and then they come out in two different sides and make a whistling sound. How do I do this? I'll tell you in a minute. I keep the phone down and keep it on for me. Here it comes. It looks like it. I'm guessing this is the way to lead to the finale. It's leading to the finale.
Oh, this is the finale?
I think it's leading to it. It's coming down to it. It's not there yet. Or it could be a free...
It's a really small show.
16 minutes? That's a lot of work.
This is 16 minutes?
It's so far 17 minutes. You don't want black sky in a show like this.
What?
You don't want black sky in a fireworks show.
Isn't there black sky?
No, because you see all this, the trails going up.
What's black sky?
Black sky means when they stop. Right now, this is kind of black sky, except for the tail being. So basically, black sky is whenever you can see the stars behind it.
Oh. Well, it's close. I'm starting to see stars. What is that?
What?
Flying into it. You see that thing? White thing?
Oh, that's probably a star.
No, it's moving.
I don't see it right this second.
Look up.
I'm not seeing it.
Okay.
I see a star
The
or
last
two.
one on the bottom.
I'm not seeing. I see shells that are burning, but
Oh,
that's about
a
it.
Shell, that's not.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess it's moving upward.
I
Whatever.
don't see anything moving up.
Okay, look.
That's a star.
That's a star.
Yeah.
It looks like it's moving.
It's not.
I'm losing.
Because your head's moving around it.
No.
Oh, alien spaceship.
Okay, I don't believe in that. Shut up.
You didn't see the alien thing?
That was not an alien. Oh. You're talking about fireworks.
Oh wow, a ghost shell. Still burning. Wow. Ghosts are always nice.
Oh, so those are shells that are the thing that looks like
Oh, that's pre-finale.
what?
That's probably the pre-finale. It's coming on 20 minutes.
I'm still getting bitten.
Oh, a heart. That was a heart. I know what they look like. I hope they get the finale soon.
It's still up there, but I'm imagining shit. It's just moving around up there. I don't know what it is. It's gonna bug the shit out of me. I think it's an airplane, but
It's not. It's an actual star.
it's just not an
Here it goes, finale!
lady spray everywhere. My eye hurts.
Nice. Wow. I love silver finales.
Silver.
Yeah.